Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In the previous video, we were working on this dataset. This dataset is straightforward dataset. On this dataset, we were able to find out what is the average, count, count A, and count if. If we have this kind of dataset, which is a large dataset, this is a dataset on which we will be working now. The selected dataset which we have, let us find out each representative average unit price and what each representative have sold and what is the average sales and unit price each representative have sold. Let us use the filter option. Select the representative Smith. We have already found out the subtotal using the subtotal function. We were able to see what is the unit price and unit and sales which was done by the representative. In order to find out what is the average sales which was done, I need to filter the representative name and I need to get the average sales what they have done. Let us use the function to find out the average sales and unit price what each representative has done. This is the function subtotal which we have already used, and we know that option 9 along with subtotal is used to calculate the sum. Now we will use average. Let us use the function average and see what is the unit price and sales each representative has done. We have to use the function subtotal again, equals subtotal, open the bracket and select the option 1. The option 1 is basically to use to find out the average. Along with subtotal, we have to use the option 1. In our previous video, we used option 9 to calculate the sum. Similarly, we have to use option 1 to find out the average. Select the range of cells to find out the unit price. So I have selected the range of cells to find out the average unit price. 115 is the average unit price what representative Smith has done. We will copy the same function across another cell to find out what is the average sales which was done by Smith. So the representative Smith has done an average unit price of 115 and average sales of 1338.33. If I wanted to find out average for another representative, I have to unselect the representative Smith and choose Andrews. We will be able to see what Andrews has achieved in terms of unit price and the sales. Average sales for Andrews is 1108.75 and average unit price is 23.75. If I wanted to check for another representative, unselect Andrews and select Morgan. We will be able to see what is the average unit price for Morgan and sales is 4405. Thank you for watching.